What? Yeah, I've been smoking crack. That's right. I've been smoking crack for years. Look at me.
Pass that. You ain't gotta be stingy with it. Share it.
Oh, fuck you. Everybody say crack makes you lose weight. Look at me. Look at me. That's right. I'm happy with crack. Crack has done me well. Look at me. Only thing that lost weight was my nose. That's it. I love it. They call me QueenBee in these streets. That's right. I'm a woman. That's right. Rex Future ain't got shit on me. I got a skinny nose. Crack ain't whack. Crack is back.